Man, it is boiling here in Georgia. Bloody boiling. Anyway, just a quick intro. Excited about this one. Some of you know, I'm doing a butcher box series using their proteins. And for this recipe, I'm using their ribeye and their bacon. And this one's a corker. Don't forget to click on the link below, my butcher box page. Free shipping on your first order, $20 off, and free bacon. Free bacon! This recipe is delicious. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. For this delicious sauce, slice garlic and mushrooms. Add olive oil to a pan. Add pearl onions and brown. Add mushrooms, garlic and thyme. Stir well and sweat 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add flour and cook out 2 to 3 minutes. Add red wine and stock. Stir well and reduce by half. Finish with honey, season to taste, stir well. Now put to one side and keep warm. For the bacon glaze, add 5 spices to a bowl, followed by olive oil, honey, and mix well. Add bacon to a sheet pan and brush on the glaze. To keep the bacon nice and flat and also to cook evenly, I used a cooling rack. Place in the oven and cook. For the roasted fennel, add to a roasting tray, followed by olive oil and salt and pepper. Now place in the oven and cook. For the protein, I'll be using this delicious ribeye from Butcher Box. Season the steak well with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Add the steak and cook to your liking. Now rest 3 to 4 minutes. So there you have it, that's one delicious dish using ribeye and bacon. Thanks guys. Get a bit of that onion. A bit of this fennel. I love these pearl onions. Like bacon. I love that into 5 spice in there. Crispy, flat, looks nice. Explain different boxes later, but I got the custom box, and that is you can choose the protein you want